Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to remove a domain from your Wix account. Start by going to wix.com and logging into your account. From your dashboard, select Sites, then go to the left menu and click Settings. In the Site, Domain, and SEO section, choose Domains. Here you'll see all the domains connected to your Wix account. Find the domain you want to remove, click on the three dots next to it, and select Remove from Wix to detach it from your account. Keep in mind, once a domain is removed, connected services like email hosting will stop working. So double check before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully removed a domain from your Wix account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy website tutorials. See you in the next video.